Hello and welcome. So far we have reviewed three of the most commonly used Excel functions: sum, min and max, and average. Let's look at another one. This one is called count. As its name implies, the count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers within the list of arguments. That means that any cell I may include in my range that doesn't include numbers, it won't be counted or included in the result. The arguments can contain or refer to a variety of data, but only numbers are counted. It doesn't include empty cells, text values, and others. That may sound a little confusing, but it's really very simple and basic. Let's look at it in an example. So, here in our budget, we have a list of expenses for next year. What we want to know is how many expenses are listed. Our budget is small and easy to count, but picture a long report with dozens or hundreds of cells. With that in mind, let's use the count function to get the information we need. Now, let's select A25 and type count expenses as the title. Move to the next column, and let's use the fx function to find the count function. In the screen, we'll use the fx search method. Feel free to use any other method. We have reviewed it and find the count function. Okay, so I'll click on fx, and in the insert function, we'll see if count is already there, or if we need to make a search. Actually, it's right here. Okay, so now I'll accept the function, and Excel's automated suggestion is, well, not what we need. So we delete that, and I'm going to use a range to select all the expenses in column A. I can see the range I selected and okay, done, easy. Wait, what happened? Why is saying 0? Well, remember that count only takes into account cells with numerical values. None of the cells in my selection have numbers. So in this case, I'll try again, and this time I'll use the cells containing the estimated expenses in the first quarter. There you go. Now Excel is telling me there are 8 expenses in total accounted as part of the budget. Let's do another calculation to count the number of expense estimates in the budget. I know, it's not really an important calculation in a marketing budget, but we'll use it just as an example for the count function. Okay, so select D25 and type count estimates. This time I'll find the function while typing in the cell. So enter equal, then type count, insert the function and go to the table to select all the estimates from B4 to E11. Enter, and yes, we have 32 entries for expenses in our budget. Remember, no empty cells, no text values, only cells containing numbers will be counted. C7 and E7 are not empty, but zeros, reason why they are included in the count. Great, that will give you a good idea of the logic and basics behind the use of the count function. Remember to keep practicing, you are doing great, so I'll see you in the next lesson.